In this video, I'm going to show you how to change candle color in TradingView mobile app. Now, at the very bottom right of your chart, you can see there's like a little cogwheel, and that's what you want to press. Now, in case you can't see it, it's at the very top of where it says menu in the bottom right, and just below where there's numbers of prices on your right-hand side of your chart. So tap on that small little cogwheel down here. And when you do that, it's basically going to open up different settings. You can scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom, you want to tap on the more settings. Now, from here, you want to go to the top left, and you want to tap on the arrow back. And there we go. You want to go to the menu, which says symbol, which is the first one. So tap on symbol. And here you go. You can go ahead and change your candle color. So I could go and change body, borders, and wick. So I'm just going to change the body right now. I'm going to set green and put it into blue over here. And I'm going to put red over here, and I'm actually going to make it like pink. Okay, now after you do that, tap on the OK button at the bottom right, and as you can see, your candles will be changed. Of course, you can also change the borders for better view, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.